On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how I made $940 commission as an affiliate. I achieved this results using free traffic source. Let me be quick to add that you don't need any skills to do this. You don't need any experience. You don't need to invest any money to achieve this results. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. So the first step is that you are going to come to Amazon.com. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up as an affiliate. So you have to scroll down to the button. Let me scroll down to show you. Once you scroll down to the button, you are going to come to this area. You can see make money with us. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, click on become an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate, you are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up as an affiliate on Amazon. So once you click on sign up and then enter your details and you get accepted onto the Amazon affiliate program, you are going to now log in. So once you log in, you'll be seeing something like Amazon Associate. So anytime you open, you see something like this, and you can also see get link. So that means you are now an affiliate. So once you log into your accounts, you are now going to select a product that you want to promote. So Amazon, they have a lot of departments that you can find products to promote. You can see a lot of them. You can see Amazon devices, arts, craft, sewing. You can see automotive, motorcycle, baby. You can see baby clothing, accessory, beauty, books, boys fashion, camera, photo. You can see cell phones and accessories, computers and accessories, costumes and accessories, electronics. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can promote on Amazon to earn a commission. Before you select a product, I want to show you something that will guide you so that you can select the best product that will earn you higher commission when you promote it. So let me show you this particular table. So as you can see, this is the Amazon commission rate that you need to take note of before you promote a product. As you can see, Amazon games, when you promote those products, you are going to earn 20% per sale. You can see luxury store, beauty, Amazon Explore, you can see 10% per sale. So you can see shoes, handbags, accessories. Anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn 10% of the price. You can see they have promotional rate here. So this is for the month of April. If you promote a product in this category, you are going to earn 6%. It will expire on 5th April. So as you can see, that is just one day. You can see office products. When you promote them, anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn $4 of the price. You can see kitchen, you are going to get 4.5% of the price. So as I scroll down, you can see many products here that you can promote. You can see physical books, automotives. You are going to earn 4.50% of the price of the product. You can see other devices. You can see that is 4% of the price anytime you get a sale. You can see 1% and then 2%, 1%, and many more. So you are going to select one of these categories so that you can promote a product in that category, because you need to select a category that has a higher commission rate. So as you can see here, now once you know the categories of products that you need to promote, you can now head on to the Amazon platform and you are going to search for products in that category. So when you come back to the Amazon homepage, you can see that right here it is all departments. So you can see all departments right now. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just select the category that you want. So you can just scroll down and then select any category that you want. Another way is that you are just going to come here, click on today's deal. So once you click on today's deals, you are going to get products that are selling at a discount rate now. So as you can see, this one, this is a product. You can see the original price is $249.99. You can see this is the discount price. You can see that is $179. So you can promote products like this and you still earn commission. You can see there is a live video here that is explaining the product. So once you promote a product like this, you can get people to purchase it and you are going to be earning commission. So the next thing is that we are now going to find a traffic source whereby we can promote these products for free and then earn a commission anytime we get a sale. So what you are going to do is that you're going to come to this website, spydeals.co.uk. So this is a website that you can list a product that is selling at a discount. You can see different categories of products that you can list on this platform. You can see electronics, fashions and accessories, food and drinks, health and beauty, home and living. You can see case, leisure, others, and then you can see travel. So you are going to create an account on this website. Once you create an account, you can then list products that are selling at a discount on this website so that you can get people to buy those products and you'll be earning commission on Amazon. So what you are going to do is that you're going to create an account. You can see my accounts right here. So once you create an account, you are going to just come here, click on share deals. So once you click on share deal, you see something like this. What would you like to share? So you are going to just click on deal. Once you click on deal, you can see you have to enter the URL of the product here. So now what you are going to do, you are going to come back to Amazon. You can see get link. So you can get your link in text, image, text and image, and then custom link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select one of these products. You can scroll backwards. You are going to find many of the products that are running deals today. You can see a lot of them, so you can just scroll and then select the one that you want. So as you can see, many of them. So I'm going to just use this product to demonstrate for you. So you are going to just click on the products. So once you click on the product, this is how it looks like. You can see the rating here. This is a 4-star rating. You can select other products. So as you can see, currently unavailable. So the next thing is that you are going to go back and find a different product that is available. You are going to click on today's deal so that you can get other products. So once you click on today's deal, you are going to select a different product. So what I usually do is that I select products that have higher price, so that the commission rate I can get a higher payout. So you are going to just scroll backwards. You can scroll backwards. You can scroll backwards, and you are going to be looking at the prices. So as you can see here, this product, you can see the discount price is $195. So if I am earning 4% or 5%, you can still make some money. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on the product. So as you can see, this is the product. You can see the rating here. This product has a higher rate and is available in store now. So what you are going to do is that you are going to promote this product so that you can earn commission anytime you get a purchase. So you are going to come here. You can see get link. So when you come here, you can get your link in text, you can get your link in image, text and image. You can see custom. So what you are going to do is that we want to get a text link. So you just click on text. So once you click on text, this becomes your affiliate link. So anytime people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission on Amazon. So what you are going to do is that you are going to leave it at short link. Don't click on full link because the link is going to be an ugly link. So you want it in short. So you are going to just click on it and then copy the link. Once you copy the link, you are going to go back to spydeals.co.uk, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, you are just going to click on next so that you can proceed with the next steps. Once you click on next, you can see deal information. So here you are going to upload the image of the product. You are also going to enter the new price. You also enter the original price, price of shipment, and then you can just select free shipment. So what we are going to do is that we are going to begin filling the details. So we are going to go back to Amazon. So once you come back to Amazon, what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on it. Once you click on it, you can get the images of the product. So once you get the image, just right click and then select save image as. Once you select save image as, you are going to save your image. So I'm going to save it onto my PC. So that is the first image. You can come here, the next image, you are going to click on it. You come here, just click on the next image. The image will appear here. As you can see the image here. So you are going to repeat the same step. Just right click, click on save image as. So as you can see, you are going to save this image too. So you are going to save a lot of them. So once that is done, you are going to move to the next image, and once you come to the next image, you are going to just right click, select save image as. Once that is done, you are going to save the image onto your PC. So right now we have 3 images, so we are going to upload them onto the website. So we are going to come back to the website, and here you are going to begin uploading your images. So you come here, just click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you are going to upload the images that you saved. So you are going to select all of them, then just click on open, and the images are going to be uploaded onto this website. As you can see, these are the images of the product. So the next thing is that we are going to enter the price of the product So here we are going to enter the new price. When you come to the product, you can see that this is the new price and this was the original price. So you are going to copy the new price. Once you copy it, you are going to go back to the website, and here you are going to paste the price right here. Once you enter the price, the next thing is that you are going to enter the original price. So the original price is, when you come, you can see 229. So you are going to enter that price right here. So when you come here, you are going to enter the price, so 229.99. so as you can see, that is done. So for the shipment, we want to just click on free. So once you enter that, the next thing is that you are going to enter the title of the product. So what you are going to do is you are going to go back to the product, and here you are going to just copy the name of the product. Once you copy the name of the product, you are going to come back, and here you are going to paste the title of the product right here. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to now copy and paste the description of the product here. So when you go back to Amazon, you are just going to scroll down, and then here you are going to copy the description of the product. So as you can see, about this items. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just copy the description of the item. So you are going to copy everything. So once you highlight and copy it, you are going to bring it back to the website, and here you are going to paste your description here. So let me do that. This is the description of the product. Let's make the first one bold. So here you are going to just make this one bold. So just click and make it bold, as you can see. So the next thing is that you are going to select the category of the product. So when you come here, I think this is about home and living. So you are just going to come here, select home and living, and that is all. So once you select the category, you are going to select pickup location. So you are going to select all of them because the product can be shipped to all locations. So you can scroll and then select all of them. As you can see, that is done. Once you select all the locations, the next thing is that you are going to enter the start date and then the expiring date. So here you are going to just enter the month is March. So you see March here. So you are going to select 27th. I think that is all. The next thing is that you are also going to select the expiring date. So here let's just enter 30th, and that is all. So once that is done, you are going to click here, create new deal, so that your deal can be published on this website, so that you can get people to purchase the product. So once you click on create new, you can see thank you for adding deal. It will be published after moderator review. So this is what you are going to be doing. So you are going to be submitting many items onto this website so that you can get people to buy them for you to earn a commission. So you are not going to stop here. You are also going to come to this website, latestdeals.co.uk. So once you come here, you can repeat the same steps and then publish your item on this website for sale. You can sell books here, fashion products, food and drinks, health and beauty, home and garden. You can case, music, sports, technology, TV and film. You can see travel and others. So you can just go to Amazon and get a product so that you can list it here, and then people are going to buy it. So what you are going to do is that you're going to create an account on this website, latestdeals.co.uk. You can see this is my account. So once you create an account, you are going to just click here, share. So once you click on share, you are going to select deal. So once you select deal, you are going to enter the URL of the product here, and you are going to repeat the same steps as we did in the last website, so that you can get a lot of people to buy your product. Don't create one account and then publish one item and you have to wait for the moderator to approve you before. You need to create up to 3 accounts on this website. Then you can also come to this website, spydeals.co.uk, and you are going to create another 3 accounts. Once you create them, you can then be publishing multiple products onto the platform as an individual, and you are going to be getting people to buy them. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.